Hey, hello, y'all. Welcome back. Haven't done pop that thing in a minute. Pop that thing 7 with my pops.
What?
That's what I call it when I open up a pop box. I call it pop that thing.
Niggas be in the comments hating on our comics and wrestling belt and shit and stuff like that. That's what I do earlier. Like, I don't understand what you want me to say. Like, we're wrestling fans. Like, I'm a wrestling fan. So I didn't have to earn it. Of course, I'm going to buy stuff and shirts and everything.
Technically, you earned it by being able to buy it, right? Like,
right. He was saying like, oh, well, you didn't accomplish anything to get it. I'm like, duh, I'm a wrestling fan. Like, I'm not getting what you're trying to say.
Yeah, like so who's walking around pointing at people at the arena at a Raw event or hey, you ain't earned that shit. Hey, put that.
Imagine Roman Reigns walking down the aisle like, hey, where'd you get that from?
That'd be hilarious.
Motherfucker.
Looks too much like mine, and you didn't earn it.
Mother. Hell no. No. I demand to know where you got that from immediately.
Or someone about the 24/7 belt, and another fan saw it and was like, "That shit look real." I got. They tried to pin him.
That's some fucked up shit. Like drop him right on his fucking head.
He has like snacks and shit.
Oh man. Oh boy.
The dude's trying to explain where he can get it. It's right. Go get your own.
Oh no, you got to defend that 24/7.
No, wait. It's just 2 doors down. They got 20 more.
Man.
Oh, that one. The dude starts talking about it all on Instagram and stuff, all going live. I took the title from this no name nobody. I don't know how he got it.
Oh man.
That's
crazy.
That'd be hilarious. We should probably do a skit like that. And it all stem from that comment, like you didn't earn it. He's like, I'll start from now on. I'll earn every belt.
Man, for real, because I don't know what the hell he was thinking. Like he thought he was really roasting me, and I'm just like, well, yeah, lifelong wrestling fan. I don't know what to say. You want me to be ashamed of what I'm interested in?
We saw the evolution of these belts. Right? Like,
right. He tried to say, yeah, he tried to say, like, oh man, you got a belt like Tommy Sotomayor. But I'm like, I've been a lifelong fan. Like, this ain't the first belt we done had or I done had. Like, I don't know what you're saying and shit.
What are you implying?
Right. I was really trying to get to it. Like, what are you implying? Like, yes. And then on top of that, my belt is custom to me. So the new belts, you can't just order. You got to go out your way to get some custom plates.
Yeah, I'm about to make me some plates. I'm going to show up at your house with my plates. It's time for a change.
Be like, oh no, my brother. You got to buy your own.
I'm not buying shit. Throw my plates down.
Be like, Gerald, I give you a title shot, Gerald. As soon as you turn around, do the old Great Muda or something, spray you in the face. These niggas are serious about that belt. Your $200 custom plates go flying as I hit you with a spear while you rubbing your eye.
I'll be back. You ever seen the last of me, brother? Pick up my plates and dust them off.
I was the more I see the SmackDown one, though, I kind of like it.
I like the SmackDown one. That's the one I was going to get. If I was, I mean, am.
That'd be dope.
I just don't want to show y'all until I get custom.
That shit is dope though. It
looks
cool.
So dope. Yeah, what? Y'all gonna really appreciate this when I show y'all. I got something on to show you. I can't even tell you about it. You just gonna like it.
Do you even have like a Gerald Dean logo or something?
Yeah, I do.
What does it say? GD? Everybody's gonna think you gang banging and shit.
Yeah, it's like this big GD, and then it says 2 names under it. Kind of looks like the GP on my shoulder, but without the little hook to make a P.
No, that's tight. That's pretty good.
Well, actually,
it looks
like this, and it looks like GD. But then if you flip it over, it will still say GD because the way you know how D's have a thing and how G. So I made it so like I hate to I wish I had it to show you.
Yeah, you gotta you let me know. I think I still have the website or whatever, so you can order the plates. Yeah. I think you end up send them like your picture, and then they lay it out, and then they send you the rough of the plates, how they should basically look, and then you approve it, and then bam. It takes a while though. It takes like about a month or so to get them. But when you get them, you're gonna be like, "Oh my god!" That's how I felt. I was just like, "Oh."
The champ is here.
Now every time I look at my title, I just feel special. Not about earning it. The motherfucker act like I had to go and get an actual see Roman Reigns or Brock Lesnar for it or something.
That is some bullshit. As a fan, like whoever's the current champion. If you want a replica, you gotta do a 30-minute match. Right. Win or lose, but you'll get a title at the end of it. Fuck that.
Yeah. Brock Lesnar seemed cool enough to let you do that. Like he'll let you wrestle him, but you got to take like 20 suplexes.
You gotta learn how to take them bumps.
Yeah, he ain't gonna just lay down for you.
Right with an F5.
Right. Yeah, he ain't gonna lay down for you. He gonna be like, yeah, you're gonna get all of them. I need 20 suplexes and 2 F5s.
Yeah,
you can hit me with a low blow.
John Cena. John Cena would lay down for you. I can see that.
Yeah, after he done throwing you around and hit you with all his spots.
All right, get on the top rope. I can't. I'm hurt.
Man.
You'd be like, no, I really can't see you right now. Like, I'm so discombobulated, John. I can't see you. I see why you tell people that.